This is Shelby from Long Lewis Ford Lincoln in Corinth, Mississippi. We're just going to talk to you today for a minute about a couple tire safety tips. So first, you want to rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. Why do you need to rotate your tires? Vehicles are heavier in the front where the engine is located, so the tires in the front are going to wear more quickly. Your best tires should always be in the back of your vehicle. The reason for this, it's going to add added traction and control in case of a blowout, help you steer and stay on the road. And you want to keep your tire pressure at the recommended level. So if you don't know what your tire pressure should be, there's a label inside the driver's side door on all vehicles with your recommended tire pressure. Underinflation is the biggest cause of tire blowouts. So all those tires you see along the side of the road on the highway, those are most likely underinflated. Lastly, you need to check your tire tread depth regularly. The easiest way to do this is with a common penny. You want to take your penny and place it inside the tread of the tire, upside down. If you can see the top of Lincoln's head, it is time to get new tires. And when it is that time, we would love to assist you with that at Long Lewis Ford Lincoln. Thank you so much for your time and have a blessed day.